Imagine declaring war on birds. Really? Yeah. Huh. It's true.
In 1958, Mao Zedong looked at sparrows and thought, "These tiny guys are eating our grain."
Remove the bird. And the entire country basically said, "Bird hunting mode activated!"
Mission accomplished. Easy win. There was just one tiny problem. Turns out sparrows were eating insects too, and that's how blunders happen. Which political blunder should be next? Comment your choice before someone declares war on fish or something.